Hi everybody. I'm gonna do my black and white and gold bloom. This is just a house paint mist tint. It's like a beige color that I got. So I thought I would try that. So I've got Rust-Oleum gold. And I know I have 24 karat gold. Excuse me. Excuse me. I've got Liquitex Basics Mars Black, Amsterdam White, two different golds. Actually, I got three different golds. And I'm going to use black and gold cell activator. So let's see how this turns out. This is a pigment and it's a dark gold. I think I'll put the light gold down first. This is Liquitex Basics Gold plus Amsterdam Gold mixed together. I'm going to put down the 24 karat gold, Deco Art. The more gold, the better, I say. And then I'll try this dark gold. I don't know if it's going to work very good. But so a different color, I don't know. I just won't put a lot. All right, so then I'll put black. White. And I got gold cell activator, which is Amsterdam Deep Gold. I'm going to try it as a cell activator. And black. Air bubbles. I just mixed this paint, so that's a lot of gold. my mini blower with my attachment. There. Oh, that looks nice. Slit in the middle. It gets concave when you blow in the middle, so well, I can see that 24 karat gold sparkle. Okay, I'll give it a spin. Should blow that out. I absolutely love this. I don't like that right there. You can get rid of some of these white air bubbles by just poking it down, and then the other color comes over top. That's what I wanted, the gold in the middle. beautiful. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. Let's cover up that other paint. Okay. All right, I'm stopping now. There we go. I love it. Another air bubble. All right, there you go. Have a good day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for subscribing and watching my videos. To all my subscribers out there. Comment below, let me know what you think, and give it a try. I have recipes in my description under my video. I'll put the dried result at the end of this video. Have a good day. Hi everyone. Here's my dried tile bloom with my 24 karat gold. Look at that gold. That is gorgeous. I love that shine. Dried really nice and smooth. Wow, I'm gonna use this more often. Take you in for a close-up. I like this group of cells here. Looks like a star burst. Very pretty. Thanks for watching.